You want to do the pink one first? On your mark. Get set. Go.
Welcome to Learning League.
All right, what are we doing, Soph?
Learning League. So we're doing salt,
Baking soda.
baking soda into the bowl to make it explode.
It's going to air up the balloon, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I want you to do...
If you take it off, it does this.
I want you to, when I say go, you're going to pick the balloon up and shake the baking powder or the baking soda into the vinegar.
Okay, I'm gonna do the pink one.
You want to do the pink one first? On your mark. Get set. Go. And let's see what happens.
Wow. It's gonna explode, Mommy.
It's not going to explode. That is so cool.
Like a bottle. Is it still doing it?
The gas is in it. The baking soda and the vinegar reacted and the gases blew up the balloon. Do you want to try to take the balloon off?
Oh my god, I want you to do that.
Okay, I'll pause the video. So today we're gonna do some creepy experiments.
We have to poke the things in, and then we do it slow. It's not gonna fall.
So today,
And when you pick it out, it goes out.
So we gotta keep this closed, okay?
Okay.
So we are doing brain surgery. This is our brain. Okay?
Our brain.
We're gonna pretend this is a brain and we're gonna do brain surgery on it.
We're gonna poke our heads.
It's kind of like you're poking a head.
Poke a head.
Okay, so we're gonna put the pencils in and we're gonna see what happens. Are you ready? All right, Mommy will hold it. I'm scared that it's gonna go everywhere. Whoa! Take it all the way through. Guys, look at this! That is so cool!
Can I
You gonna do another one?
Yes.
The water is not coming out. Whoa! Keep poking it through. That is crazy. Do you guys see this?
Turn it around.
Why does it do that, Sophia?
Because when you do it fast, it pokes out.
You're right, there's pressure. Do you want to do one more pencil? And then we'll take them out?
But we need to do all of the pencils.
You want to do all of them? I don't know if we have time to do, or room to do all of them. Is this amazing to you?
Yes.
It is amazing to me. That is really cool.
Put it right there.
Yeah, it's in the bag. Poke it all the way through. Good job.
There's a little bit coming out.
It's okay. All right, you ready to pull them out and watch it?
But we need to put all of them.
Let's do one more. What color do you want to do?
I want to do all of them, please.
Sophia wants to do do all of them, so we're gonna do all of them.
Oh, Lord. Ah! I love water.
It's okay.
My
A little
thumb.
bit of water might leak out.
To turn it around. Like that.
Why does it do
Can
this?
it cut it out?
Yep.
Oh.
Don't poke it all the way in because then it'll have a gush out.
I'm gonna put it right here. Did it poke out?
Let's show 'em. Look at all these pencils she has in here. You guys see this?
It's gonna wake out on the.
How
on the table.
crazy is that?
See that? It
Okay.
leaked on the table.
Do maybe one over here.
Oh. I'm gonna do the blue one. Black. Taking a poke on it.
Good job. Look at all that.
Ah!
Okay, you got 3 more.
I'm gonna put the black one. Did it poke out?
Oh no, we sprung a leak. Hurry. We're leaking. We put too many in and now it's leaking. Oh no, no, no.
Oh no, 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 no. Ah!
So we got one more. Put it in real fast.
Got a lot. Now let's take them out.
Okay, now we're going to remove them. Oh no. We have a leak. Oh, we have another leak.
It's like logs stuck in a leak and then they fall out
You're right.
and of a waterfall.
Whoa.
We have lots of leaks. We have lots of leaks. Whoa, we have lots of leaks. All of the logs out.
Now you can guys see all the holes and the leaks that it's doing.
I'm gonna plug some.
That's pretty
Plug
crazy.
some, Mommy. Plug some.
All right.
Look. Got it. Plug everyone.
All right, thanks for doing some science with us, doing some brain surgery. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
What?